Hi, the next concept is platform independent. This is the second feature from Java. What is meant by platform independent? What is meant by platform? First, we need to know what is meant by platform. Platform means it is an operating system. So we can take it here. Windows is one of the platform. Linux is one of the platform. Mac is one of the platform. These are the platforms. Why, why we are calling platform independent? Why we are calling platform independent? This we are going to discuss. Why Java we are calling as a platform independent. So we are going to discuss about this here now. So whatever the code, whatever the Java program that we have written in, whatever the Java program we have written here, suppose we have written the Java program, this program we can run it on any platform. That means we can run it on Windows, we can run it on Linux, we can run it on Mac. Okay, whatever the Java program we have written can be run on Windows, Linux or Mac. We no need to change any program. Okay, we no need to change anything in the code to run it on Linux, Mac, Windows. Suppose if you have written a code in Windows, then the same program can run it directly on Linux and Mac. But in case of C++, it is not possible to run the same program which we have written in C or C++ to run it in other operating systems. We need to change our code to run in Linux. If suppose if we have written a code in Windows for C or C++ that can't run in Linux, so we need to change our code. Okay, the same way if you want to run it on Mac, we need to change the code. But in case of Java, it doesn't require to change the program. That's why we'll call it as a platform independent. Okay, let me give more about this. Okay, so first of all, whatever the program, suppose I have written a program class student. Okay, so public static void main string args SOP system out println hello. So this is the program that I have written, and this program will be saved as student.java. Student.java. I have saved this program as student.java in documents, Java and student.java. Okay, in documents, under that I have created a folder Java, then I have stored this program as student.java. Okay, this will call it as a source file. This will call it as a source file. Once the source file has been created, then we are gonna compile this. Then once we compile this program, it will be generated student.class file. This is in bytecode. Okay, whatever the source file is converted to student.class file, that is in bytecode format. Okay, this bytecode format can be executed in any operating system. Okay, this bytecode can be executed in any operating system. Okay, so once we compile it, here in the same folder one more file student.class will be generated. So we'll be having two files once we compile it. Student.class file will be saved in the same folder where our source file is present. Okay, this is why whatever the bytecode that is generated, that can be run in any operating system. That's why, okay, compilation is not available in C or C++. Okay, that is the disadvantage to run it in on different operating systems. Once it is compiled, okay, we use Java C student.java. To compile on the command prompt, we need to use we need to use a command java c student.java. Once it is done, will be generated student.class file in the same folder. Okay, then we are gonna use JVM. To JVM will convert this bytecode into machine code or native code. Then it will be executed. Okay, so because of this, Java program will run on different platforms. Once we write one Java program, the same Java program can be executed on different platforms. That's why we'll call it as Aura. Write once, run anywhere principle. We'll call it as a Aura principle. Write once, run anywhere. So whatever the program that we have written in Java can be run on any operating system if we write once. No need to change our program. This is about platform independent. Thank you.